Hey you guys, I think we really have a bad news. We have actually like a severe thunderstorm, and I heard the lightning just I heard a lightning crashed. Yo, pretty scared of lightning, guys. You guys, I'm pretty scared of thunder and lightning. Yo, is it like a lightning village something? Oh my. Oh my, it's just like a lightning village. My goodness, I hope you guys heard the thunder a lot. Oh my gosh. Yo, here's the wind. Oh my gosh. It's the wind. Yo. Okay. Yo, it's raining. Yo, it's raining, you guys. It's raining. Hey, mom and dad. Mom and dad. Mommy. There's thunderstorm.
Oh, I heard, yeah.
Yeah.
How's Tails? You got him covered?
What?
You got Tails covered?
Well, I know you're scared of lightning. Tails is scared of lightning, guys, but you see it? It's raining. Yo, it's raining, you guys. Oh my gosh. I might end the video here. Bye.